Hi, have this ever happened to you when you turn on your laptop and all of a sudden you get this message? Detection error on the hard drive. There's something wrong with the hard drive, and pretty much I tried it. It's not able to retrieve any data on this hard drive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it with my newer hard drive, the SSD drive, and I'm going to reinstall the Windows as well as update the drivers. So hopefully making this laptop better than new. So let's get started. Welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. In this video, I'm going to install a new hard drive into my older laptop. The hard drive, the magnetic type of hard drive is, I think it's fried. I can smell it. It has this like particular burnt smell to it, so something's wrong with it. So I'm going to replace it with my SSD drive, and hopefully that will speed up the laptop as well. This will be a good upgrade for this older laptop. This is Lenovo ThinkPad X220. So hopefully installing Windows 7 or Windows 10, I haven't decided yet, on this computer and update the drivers will make this laptop better than new. So let me zoom in and let you see the process that I'm doing. It shouldn't take more than 15 minutes to do this for installing the drive anyway. And then of course updating may take longer because of the software installation, and then you have to update the drivers and all that. Okay, so let's have a look at what's happening. Alright, another thing I forgot to mention is that I do need an external DVD drive to install my Windows operating system. So that's what I need to put in first. Yeah, there we go. And let's see. Hopefully it recognizes this DVD drive. Otherwise we won't be able to boot from the DVD drive to install the Windows operating system. Okay. I might have to go to the BIOS. There we go. F1 or F2, depending on your computer, will bring you to the BIOS. Let's see. Start up. Alright, so once you connect your DVD external drive, if your laptop doesn't have it, to install the Windows operating system, make sure you go to the boot setup, and the boot starting is going to be the USB, CD, or DVD. Okay, enter that, and now we can just save and exit. F10. Yes, okay. So now the DVD Windows operating system here. I'm installing Windows 7 Ultimate. I'll see it recognizes it. Let's see what happened here. Okay, so now it's loading the Windows install.